So why bother cutting the rolls of insulation with a simple knife when a machine can do it for us? When I insulated the ceiling of my future bathroom, I had 1.2 meter rolls to cut in half so they would fit between the joists, so 60 cm, and when I unrolled the insulation, it made me think. I thought to myself that soon I would be converting the attic and I would have who knows how many rolls to cut. So why bother with that when in fact a machine can do it for me? But a machine costs between 300 and 1,000 euros, a knife costs between 20 and 30 euros, the math is pretty simple. And especially if I can adapt my knife blade to a jigsaw or a reciprocating saw, that's even better. So, reciprocating saw, corded or battery-powered jigsaw, it doesn't matter. You take a blade, cut off the knife handle, place the reciprocating saw or jigsaw blade on the knife blade, trace it, cut it out, fit it into the saw, and it works perfectly. There is another alternative. If you don't want to bother tracing and cutting, you could just cut off the mounting end of the jigsaw blade. Jigsaw or reciprocating saw and weld it onto the knife blade. That way, you know the mount will be secure. I managed to cut it cleanly, it works perfectly. So I chose the corded jigsaw because the goal is to put it under a table, a fairly large table, and push the roll so it cuts by itself. No need to put it on the floor, cut it, flip it over, and cut it again, so I'm going to take precautions, a large table, both hands on each side, and I push. If I see it's too dangerous, I'll put it on the floor, cut it, flip it, and cut again. It works well. So at home, I'm sure you have an old jigsaw lying around, and if you have insulation to cut, don't bother doing it by hand. You take your knife, cut it, fit it to your machine, and it works perfectly.